Yep.
What car is this?
So this is a 1993 Honda Accord CB7.
CB7, how good. That's Naweed. This is his mad car. And we're gonna put in mad BC coils, which if they fit my car, I'd probably roll you for them, to be honest.
Bro, it's so dirty.
Yeah, bro, what's your car? Fucking hell. So we're gonna bang coils in this thing. It looks sick already. He's gonna get wheels for it, but the coils are here, so we're gonna bang some coils in first. We're excited.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, let's jack this thing up and let's get it. Alright, front of the car is jacked up, it's hanging. That's not the fitment, I promise, that we're going for. I mean, we can try and wind it up that high.
Oh man,
No, okay. Got the wheel off. It's really weird seeing 4 studs, not 5, but anyway, that's pretty cool. So this has like a very different setup to the Evo. There's like a fork, and then the coil, the shock goes into the fork, this thing. So we need to undo that big 17mm down there. There's a few bolts in it for the brake lines that we got to undo, that one and that one. And then up the top here, there should be 1, 2, 3, pull them out, and then that thing should be out of there. Here's the new front coilover that we're going to be putting in. It has these for little mounts of the brake lines. We may have to adjust these to suit the actual brake line, but we'll see how we go. They're pretty clean, obviously. To adjust the height of these, on the MCAs, my ones, you undo these, but the spring preloads are already set on there, so we undo this, and then we wind this down, which we're going to have to do. But first things first is we're going to pull that one out, and then we're going to look at the height difference, and then we'll adjust this one to where we think it needs to be. We'll be good to go. You see the base has the, I don't know how you describe that, where it goes into the fork, whereas the other style, the one for the rear, has the mad little U-shaped thing. Fronts first?
yes, 100%.
Alright, we put WD on all these things because it's crusty as hell under here. This car's older than I am. Holy shit, this car's older than I am.
30 years old.
30 years old, holy shit. Let's do it. That's the first one in. We just looked at that one and worked it out. So now we'll jump onto the next one and give you a bit more of a rundown. So we've got the 2 bolts for the brake line out already. They're the 12mm, that's nice and easy. We WD'd everything, pretty easy. Next step would be to take the big 17mm out that attaches the fork to the hub. So we'll use a ring spanner and we'll use impact. So let's bang that out real quick. Just like that, nice and easy. Now let's pull out this little 14 that holds the fork to the shock. She's tight like a tiger. Probably because I'm tightening it. That just slides right out, eh? Funny that when you undo the bolt, it just comes straight out, eh? Last time, we forgot about that bolt and we were trying to beat the shit out of this to get it off, but
it did help, to be honest. We
it
got,
did.
Like, all that like shit out of it.
Yeah. Alright, now we can undo these 14s at the top, and then we can just get it out of there. Oh, there's stuff in the way.
Yeah, same on that side as well.
Thrilling. Oh no, we're gonna have to undo this. We'll undo this clip, whatever it is.
Yeah.
This connector. Actually, how the fuck does that go in there?
What's that even for?
Fucking not the foggiest.
Not for the coilovers.
Not for the coilover, so fucking get rid of it! No, oh fuck, we'll try sneaking here. Pop him out of there. So as it turns out, they just pop out. What are these? That looks like a drive-by-wire cruise control. That's what.
Could be, yeah, I think.
That's what. You got cruise control?
Yeah, I do.
That's what that is, 100%.
Drive-by-wire, as in like.
Because it actually has a wire. See, this wire goes to the throttle cable.
Yeah.
So like that's your throttle cable. So when you like do that, your engine will rev.
Yeah.
And then like this goes to inside, and then it has some crazy unit in there. And then that goes all the way, and then that will hold your throttle cable open. And that's how it keeps driving, bro.
This guy, proper Honda boy.
I know. I'm probably fucking wrong, hey. It's probably not how it works at all.
Nah, it makes sense though.
We gotta catch this, otherwise it's gonna fall out. Just gotta send it, I reckon.
Just wiggle out there.
We just gotta wiggle him out. What's stopping this thing? It's coming out, I just can't get it down over the top. This might be another case of push that down to lift that up. I feel like the other one came out way easier, eh? Did we pull the whole thing out?
I don't think so.
You ready?
Can you lift that maybe?
Try it. Beautiful. We'll get that out now. Nice work from you. Now you're getting dirty.
Yes, sir.
Brakes are fucking filthy, eh? We should have gone the other way. I had to push down again.
Okay, cool.
Camera down.
Fucking bastard.
See you later. The stock shock is out.
That's disgusting.
It's fat, isn't it?
Let's compare it with the
Yeah, look how different it is. God damn. That's what you call an upgrade.
So we're not even adjusting the height, we're just chucking it in because
We'll see how it looks.
that's about how much I'm after anyway.
Cool.
Let's put that one in.
Alright. Say less.
Oh, this is like perfect, but it's just gonna move.
There's a tripod.
There is?
Should have told you about that actually.
Yeah.
Alright, well we gotta line these two little tabs up where the brake lines go. The last one didn't line up that well, so we ended up cable tying one of them, but let's just stick it up in there and see what happens, eh? Something like that. Alright, well, that's that part done. So now we have to put that up into here. And where's that 14mm? I think it's that one there. This one's a little bit crusty.
Good old WD.
Yeah. We'll leave it up before you put it in, you know.
Life wire.
That was a life hack for you. Alright, now we need to use the jack. For the big fella.
It's a bit fly this way.
Fucking fly buzzing in my ear.
Two spiders there.
Huh?
Nah, over there, on your door.
Oh.
When I went up.
Holy shit, look at all the fucking bugs in
Oh,
here.
fuck. That's probably why.
Holy shit, what? Are they mosquitoes? Bro, they're fucking mosquitoes.
What the fuck?
Are they? I had a sneeze.
That's disgusting. Should sneeze on them. I think they are mosquitoes, bro.
Bro. That's fucked up. There we go.
Yeah, just chuck it up. Yeah. Oh, mate. That's how we like it. That's perfect.
That's fucking Mickey Mouse, mate. That's what we call that. How is it on this far side? Bang.
Nice, mate.
That's how we roll.
Like
Pull a little bit of anti-seize on that thread. Bang that on there. Get my 17.
That's pretty much it.
No, top one's my dude. And then we gotta torque them.
Yeah.
Where's my 14? Huh. Yeah. I think these ones are 28. The bottom one was.
We did 31 though.
Yeah, we did 31.
The big boy was 47.
47? Oh, I got like heaps hay fever all of a sudden.
Probably 30-year-old dust that came off.
Yeah, it probably is, eh?
Oh, bro. Dude, look at that. That looks so out of place, man.
It does, doesn't it? It's because it is.
But it looks sick.
It does look sick.
Holy fuck, they're all mozzies, bro.
That's fucked up. Man, I've seen some shit, but that's up there. I don't even like have bug spray or anything. I'll WD them fuckers. Where the fuck my 17 go? That's not it, that's a 14. Do you just like hit the 30 watt? You just... They're nice. Where's that wheel at? Fucking hell.
It's not too different.
No, it'll be easier I think because we won't have to deal with that fork. You just undo that bolt and then it just comes off.
Sure. We have to get through the boot though.
Yeah, that might be the fuck around. Okay, do you know what? In approximately like 2 minutes we get to see how low this thing is gonna be. Are you nervous?
I'm keen, bro.
Keen?
Yeah.
I reckon this is gonna be fucking... Bro, it's gonna be dummy low. That's it.
We can go lower than that.
How low is it?
We can go lower than that, I reckon.
Yeah, it's fucking pretty low, but what do you want to go to? 7?
I'm gonna go to 16, so it's gonna bump it up a bit.
Yeah,
You can just leave it like that for now until the wheels come.
I think so.
Yeah. And that's still like very dailyable. Don't have to do any funny business. Like
100%. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, like your lips, you don't have a lip anyway.
Yeah.
So like speed bumps won't be a problem.
Yeah. But yeah, dude, that's looking way better.
It's way lower than what it was.
Let me get the other side.
Yeah. It actually looks fucking mean.
Yeah. Even on stockies, it looks.
I like it, bro. It's still pretty, like you said, it's still a pretty big gap there, but.
I feel like when we put this, like if I get 16s and put it on.
Because these are 15s, yeah?
Yeah, these are 15s.
Yeah. Because you probably want to keep like a good sized tire. Like that's one thing I hate about my car is the wheels are too big, so the tire is too small.
Yeah.
Fuck, I'm gonna run out of jack here. That's all I got.
Yeah?
Yeah. Can it go under?
Nah. Dude, you know what I really like?
Yeah.
You know my old school cars, how you get at the back, you get the fucking...
Oh yeah.
Bro, I think that look...
Like the Venetians?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that what it's called, Venetian?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're dope. Alright, shall we try this again? You happy?
Yeah.
Hang on, I gotta sneeze.
Yes. That echo, bro.
Bro, that was crazy. That echoed up your fucking rusty exhaust. Sure the neighbours are gonna love me. What is it?
30.
Oh, it's only 30. Fuck, I'll be right. Do you wanna, we gotta work out how to get to the boot.
Oh yeah, true.
Do you wanna crack that and see what's going on? I think these ones, is it just the 2 bolts? I feel like there's not fuck all we have to undo on this one. It's tucked in behind the back seat. I've got the bolt out of the bottom. Now we're just trying to get to the top, but it's a bit of a schmozzle back here. I think we're gonna have to pull these off, to pull that off, to then pop that out and then get to the top, which is a massive pain, but we'll work it out and then we'll let you know. Getting to the nuts at the top of the shock at the back was such a pain. Look, we got the whole interior pulled apart. So essentially, this is part of the boot mat. It's a joint to the seat. Get that out of the way. Come through. You start with these side panels and there's like a metal clip in the back and you don't really pop it out. You just sort of pull it forward so you have a bit of room to move. And then there's a trim piece that goes here. So there's a little piece at the bottom, which is this. So pull that off by tucking your fingers underneath and pulling that down. Pull that off. And then there's the bigger piece that goes across the top, which is...
It's at the front.
Where do we do that? That's up there. That one. So essentially that just had a bunch of clips in the top we just popped out. Then what we do?
Then we took this one out, these ones.
Oh, that's right. And then there's these side panels. These go in there like that. So there's a little thing there that you pull out, pop that out. And then there's another tab in the back of this here, and you pretty much just grab it and yank it. That will pull that stupid alligator one out that I've had problems with in the past. And then it looks like this, kind of. And then you just, oh, actually, there's another one of these fellas just there holding the boot trim in. You pop that out and then you pop your boot trim out and then you can get to your mad little nuts. There they are.
Mission.
That was a lot of work, bro.
Yeah.
That was more than we thought. Hey,
that's alright, at least we got there.
we got there. Oh, that was a pain. Look how big this thing is. Getting that out of there was not easy. We had to like push down on the whole hub to try and get it out the top because of this brake shield and the brake lines and stuff, but it's out. Dude, that's crazy.
What's this?
That's different to mine. I feel like that's the upper control arm, but so you have like your lower and your upper, I think. I don't know. I'm not a Honda boy. You're the Honda boy. You tell me, bro. I don't know fucking anything.
Is this McPherson?
I don't know.
Fair enough.
Bro, I have coilovers. I have an Evo.
Suspension. Yes.
Oh, suspension.
So we're about to film, but we didn't get too far.
Better late than never, hey. I don't think that's...
Oh, there you go.
Should have just done that, eh? So essentially, the rear is really easy. It's literally one 17mm at the bottom of the strut, and then the two 14s at the top. The hardest part is getting to the ones at the top. But you already saw the absolute nightmare to get in here. Once we're in, we're in. G'day mate, how are ya?
Hello, mate.
G'day champion. Do you know what? I'm just glad that your trims are in one piece. I'll show you the ones in my car. somebody to get to these, they just hacked a hole in there.
No way.
100%.
What?
So that's loose, but the same thing is that it's really in there quite tight. So I just got my mate Jimmy here, and just jimmied the bottom of it out, and then it should just flop down. Well, kind of like that. Kind of like that.
Got it?
Yeah, I just gotta get it out the last bit.
Oh yeah.
This is a pain.
Oh hello.
Hey boss, we're on the last one. How did we get it out last time? Just pushed down and it came out, eh?
Yeah. Bottom out. First.
You're a weapon, eh?
Oh mate.
Mechanic.
Mechanic.
Jessie's joined us because it's too damn late. She's going, why aren't you finished yet, you dickheads? The neighbours are going, why aren't you finished yet, you dickheads? It's only fucking 9:37, that's all good.
Saturday.
Alright, let's bang the last one in. Neil, don't argue. That's it. Oh, it's way lower. Bro, that's mint.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You go bigger wheels, I reckon that back movement's gonna be really good. I reckon the front can maybe go down a little bit. Yeah, I reckon we wait till the new tires, new wheels. It's looking mad. What we're gonna do is pack all this rubbish up, and then we're gonna take it for a drive, make sure it's all good, test out the dampening, and then we might adjust the dampening, then we'll put the boot back together. And then that'll be that. He's gonna get wheels soon, so probably adjust it to suit the new wheels better. But it's pretty much a 50mm drop from what it was, and I reckon it looks sick. Back it out, see how it goes. Looks mint. He's gonna, when we put wheels on this, goddamn. How do you feel?
Mate, I'm just keen to suss it out.
Just keen to suss it out. See how she drives. Nah, happy?
Yeah, I think I could probably turn it stiffer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
100%. We'll wind it up now while the covers are off.
Yeah?
Yeah? We've got the ghetto sound system.
Oh yeah. Oh dude, on the roundabout, man.
Yeah?
Like, I'm not even like I am moving a bit, but
Feels tight, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Feels tight. That's a good result.
Hell yeah. Dude, I was expecting it to be like fucking bumpy as shit.
Really?
Yeah.
Nah, man, it's an upgrade, bro. It felt comfy.
Yeah.
How'd it feel in the drivers?
Comfy, but like planted.
But like tight, hey?
Yeah. Did you get that roundabout that we took?
Yeah.
Dude,
I think so.
I was just like this.
Yeah, I know.
In the with the original suspension, I'd be like fucking like
Yeah.
all this shit.
It looks really good, man. I think when you put wheels on this, it's gonna look sick. Seriously, I'm getting prelude vibes.
Yeah.
Happy?
Especially from the back. Yeah. Bro, so happy.
My man.
Put it there, man.
Bodnar, getting the upgrades.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the Bodnar.
Sick.
We're gonna leave it with that. We're just gonna stiffen them up a little bit more. They're pretty much a half setting. Apparently there's like 31 or 32 settings, which is heaps on the dampening. We're gonna stiffen it up a little bit while the interior is pulled out at the back, and then that'll be that really, until we do wheels. And then we might lower it a little bit more, but it just depends how it's looking. Anyway, that was Honda. We haven't done Honda on the channel. That was cool. Thanks for bringing the Honda around, bro. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. We'll see you next time. We out.